Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to show a small TEMU order with an item that I accidentally bought. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. You're new to the channel. Hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. And so I was actually going to say today, woo, we all hit 500, y'all, but I went back to double check and it went down to $4.99. Not on sale. But that's all right. I'm sure, we'll hit the 500 again, because I did want to start speaking about the giveaway that I kind of want to do for when we hit 500, but I'll hold off for now and keep showing all of these wonderful diamond paintings. But to everyone who has subscribed or anyone that's watching, I really do appreciate it. I don't know, I'm just really happy that, people want to watch a lot of these diamond paintings that I love picking and that I can present to everyone. I don't know, I just want to spend. Oh, no, not spend. Kind of put out some information, especially if you're looking for any kind of new painting you want to start off. So, without further ado, let's look at some paintings. So there are two paintings, and the third item is it's an oopsie item. So again, I put it in the cart because I thought it was a diamond painting. I just fell in love with the image, put it in, submitted it, paid, wait for it, and continued to wait for it until I received it, and I noticed, ooh, that's not a painting. And you'll see in a moment. And the first painting I want to show, it's this one. So it comes with your diamonds and your standard kit. And just in case you're new to diamond painting, the standard kit is always the tray, the wax, and the pen. And all you would do is pour the diamonds into the tray, press the pen onto the wax, press them onto the diamond, press them onto the painting, and voila, you're officially a diamond painter. And do not worry, if the tray somehow disappears or if it breaks or runs away, because they do that to me, your next kit will have you covered. Don't worry about it. And these are the diamonds. They're all really pretty fall colors. Some random purple. That is so odd. As you can see, there's greens, oranges, brown, and random purple right in the middle. I kind of like that. It's just I don't know, it's like a random color. And I do love them. They're dark violet. I'm a big fan of these colors. And this is the painting. It is little kind of, oh, so that's where the purple goes. Oh, these little pretty flowers in the back. There are a couple pumpkins with some red flowers and sunflowers, random purple flowers in the back. And I've been searching for a lot more fall paintings because this is sort of almost in fall or in fall. I can't say for certain because where I live it's always hot, so I mean it'll eventually cool down for probably a week. And then winter kind of sits in, and it's real. The weather where I live is real bouncy. So sometimes it's really hot, sometimes it's really cold. Rarely it's in between. So I like to think it's fall. Sort of. And as you can see, I love the pumpkins. I love pumpkins. So that's why I was really excited when I saw the little pumpkins in this painting, because I kind of want little pumpkins on my wall. That sounds kind of odd when I word it that way. And so some information about the painting. It is HH22-0032 and is a 20 by 20 and is 14 colors. Ooh, I really like this painting. I really love the red flowers as well. I just really love the color concept on this. So I think this painting I might kit up. I'm not too sure if I'll record it. It might be on the side. But as I said, I need a couple more fall paintings on my wall. And this is such a perfect size, so it shouldn't take, it'll probably take me less than a week to finish it. I might just focus on it, and mostly because I want to see how the big sunflower and the big pumpkin comes out. It's so cute, I like this. And the legend, luckily, is all capitalized letters, so no numbers, no symbols. Thank goodness, that makes it real simple when you're painting. And you can actually see all the wonderful fall colors in the legend as well. Ooh, I really like that. And yeah, it's pretty clear too. Anything that's kind of light has a darker color. Some of the dark colors has a lighter tone. So that makes it for myself real easy to kind of paint. My 20 by 20s, I try not to use a light pad because I usually have it on the clipboard. So I usually move them around in my home. So when I decide to paint in whichever room, I could just bring my little clipboard with my little 20 by 20. Works out for me. I'm adventurous like that. And just in case, I'm going to put a clear image here. Just in case, a nice little pumpkin and sunflower kind of bouquet. It's kind of your style as well. Let me put it aside real quick. And this is the next one. So, of course, flowers. It's always flowers with me. Y'all know that. And especially sunflowers, because I really, really love sunflowers. And when I first saw this image when I was putting up the order, I didn't pick this one. TEMU suggested it to me. So I was real excited that, ooh, TEMU knows me too much. So that's why I fell in love when I saw the sunflowers. And same thing, standard kit, as I said, they always find you. And these are diamonds. Ooh, I love earthy fall tones are just my favorite. And I'm a crocheter, so a lot of my yarn is kind of in this color field as well. My goodness, I have so many browns. It's not even funny. I love this orange. Ooh, real random white. I like that as well. Oh, there are 2 packs of it. Oh, I've never really seen that. Not for this kind of painting in this size. I've never really seen 2 packets of the same color. And the reason I kind of know they're the same color is you can see the numbers. They correspond to the numbers that they are on the legend. So if it's 14 on the legend, it's this color. This one says 15 and there's 2 packets of them. That's interesting. And it does look like 3065, I believe. It's the white color. Ooh, really like this color. As you can see, a little bright yellow. Ooh, I really like these. And this is the paint. Oh, yeah, that's right. It's 3065. And it's white because the background is all white. So that kind of makes sense. It's a wonderful little wheelbarrow with a whole bunch of sunflowers with a wonderful white background. This is so cute. I really love the little wheel on the wheelbarrow. It is so cute and I just love all the sunflowers. And yeah, I'm real glad that TEMU made this suggestion. Because as I said, I love sunflowers. Well, I love all flowers, but sunflowers are a little special to me because they grow around where I live. So I've seen really large sunflowers grow, and I just leave them there. I don't really do anything with them, and they'll get real big until, you know, end of season or until another one comes up. So there's always a sunflower around, so that's why I like them a lot because I always see them by my window. Even where I'm currently living, since I moved to a new location, I do see them. They're kind of on the side. I thought, yeah, I'm going to get sunflowers. So, sorry, I just really like sunflowers. And so, some information about the painting. It is X1259 and it is a 20 by 20. It is 15 colors. And the legend, ooh, it's all capitalized letters. Oh, thank goodness. Makes the drill field for me a lot simpler. Excuse me. And I really like how clear it is. You can see really clearly the dark coloring of where, let's say, the yellow is, and it's a lighter kind of gray color in the darker parts, as in the center of the sunflower. I really like that. This is really clear. Oh, both of these were in that style. I'm glad that a lot of the drill field is coming out really clearly. Oh, I really love that. I really like this painting, but I kind of want to kit up both, but I'm not sure. If I finish one, maybe I might do this one. Yeah, I think so. And just in case, I'm going to put a clear image here in the middle of the screen, just in case a nice little wheelbarrow of sunflowers is your style as well. And so for my third item. So unfortunately, my third item is not a diamond painting. Ooh, apologies, I hit the microphone. I originally picked this image and I honestly thought it was a diamond painting. I love the image, and since I was already going through pretty much kind of the whole, I was putting in, and all of these were on a lightning deal as well. Sorry about that. I was just trying to take off the plastic. It's a wall hanging, I believe it's called. It's kind of a painting, but not, you'll see in a moment. It's on fabric. So, as I said, when I saw the image, I thought it was a diamond painting. And it is such a cute image that's in an anime style. And I really thought it was a diamond painting. And it looks like one, but it's not. Ooh, it has this little plastic bar so you can keep it rolled up. Oh, this is really neat. Like a PVC pipe, but I'm not sure. Let me put that aside real quick. And yeah, it's a painting. Ooh, that is real neat. It's a print. It really is. And as you can see, it's a wonderful little gas station with a little moped. It says 7, but we know what it is. And it's just a gorgeous pink with some wonderful trees on the side and on the road as well. I love the little vending machines. As I said this, I honestly believed this was a diamond painting. And that's when I put it in the cart, and I always forget to read the description. As I said, I paid for it, and as soon as I received the package, and I was trying to, put the packaging together, because as I said, I love pulling out random paintings that I'm going to show them to y'all. I saw this poor little kind of the pole of it sticking out, and I was wondering, whoa, what is that? And when I actually read the description on it, because on the plastic it has the identifier of what it is, I saw, oh my goodness, that's not a diamond painting. And it's so cute. I'm gonna pin it on my wall. I would have framed it, but since it's a little larger than I thought, I'd have to really check if I can locate a frame, but it's a little too big. I think I'll probably pin it on my wall because it's so cute, and I really wish it was a diamond painting, but I love the style and it's so cute. I just really like it. And even for this wonderful little painting, I'm going to put it in the description below just in case. Ooh, you know what? This is kind of nice. It'll look real nice on the wall. And especially it'll flatten down. The reason I keep pushing the sides is because they keep curling in since they were rolled up. And let me put it down. Yeah, it's kind of a nylon. It's not rust. It's real smooth. And there's a shine on top of it. That's if you keep seeing me press it. It's real smooth, and yeah, it's really nice. Man, this is a really good print. I'm going to see if I can find... I'll look for the original seller that when I did this order. I'm going to see if they have any other prints. I wouldn't mind having a couple on my wall. It is just so cute. And I really love the style. Yeah, my poor little diamond painting. But it's pretty, so I have no problems with it. And I just wanted a little gas station diamond painting. But that's just me. I'll keep looking around. I'm sure there's probably a diamond painting that probably has this image or a style of it. So when I locate it, I'll let you all know. So yeah, that's all I wanted to show today. This is a kind of a odd random item to end the video with. But I really do like it. And yeah, for everything for the paintings as well, I'll put it in the description below. Excuse me, just in case you're interested in anything that I showed today and you wish to purchase an item as yourself, for yourself, and they were all through TEMU. So, and I'm making sure to put the pricing in the corner. As I said, I was able to get all these items on lightning deals, so that's why I purchased them. So again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, I ask if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put my channel out there, and it really allows the opportunity for me to show you all of these wonderful diamond paintings and wall paintings we love to do. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.